You asked, how to divide 7,291 by 3 using the long division method. 7 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 9, making 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 2430 remainder 1.